Good day to all. Today our topic is law of attraction in mind. Myself, Dr. B. Suresh Kumar, Department of Mechanical Engineering. Nowadays we are having lot of attractions with respect to our future and our life. So what is meant by law of attraction? We will see who you really are. Before understanding this topic, first you aware about this question: who you really are. You want to become a musician, you want to become an artist, or you become a professional, or you become a businessman, or you want to become a laborer, or you become a spiritual person. Likewise, you are having a interest with a lot of areas, but how your attraction working on your ambitions. Likewise, you may decide your future. Okay, so first you realize you who you really are, and then how you can do anything you want, and true magnificence that awaits you in life. These are all comes under based on your law of attractions and your attractions with respect to your imaginations and your thoughts. Here, natural law is open to human life. The law of attraction is the natural law. It open to human life from universe. Here, the secret of this natural law, the natural law is open to from universe, but it works with the infinite power, one infinite power, and it guide ourselves with the same law which is natural law, which is also known as law of attraction. So that we should aware about what is law of attraction. The natural law don't have difficulty with send people to moon from earth and send rover to Mars and Voyager beyond solar family. The natural law don't have any difficulty, but wherever you are in earth, you are having one power and you are following one law, which is attraction. So the law of attraction, everything that's coming into your life, you are attracting into your life, and it's attracted to you by which of the images you are holding in your mind. It's what you are thinking. Whatever is going on in your mind, you are attracting to you, which is law of attraction. Based on this, you have to evaluate your life. Law of attraction always follows thoughts. Every person's having their own thoughts, so that every thought of yours is a real thing which is forced to intend your life. So I think of myself as a magnet. I know that a magnet will attract. Likewise, I may have the thought has act as like a magnet. From that thought magnet, I can attract what I want from the universe. As per secret book by Rhonda Mind, he elaborates the things. I think of myself as a magnet. I know that I am a magnet, so I will attract anything from universe. That is what I want from universe. So if you see it in your mind, you are going to hold it in your hand. So every thoughts in your mind is the responsible factor for your attraction. So in your life, everything what you like attracts like. It is the simple concept, like attracts like. Thank you.